What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to make your Snapchat account private. Privacy is a big deal for many of us, especially on social media where we share moments of our lives. Making your Snapchat account private ensures that only people you trust can see what you post or know your location. First up, you need to open your Snapchat app. Begin by tapping on your profile picture located on the upper left side of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, look for the gear icon, typically situated on the upper right side of your screen. This is your settings menu. Once you're in settings, scroll down to the privacy control section. This is where you'll manage your privacy settings. Let's get through them one by one. The first setting you'll see is See Me in Quick Add. Quick Add is a feature that suggests new friends based on mutual contacts. Turning this off will prevent you from appearing in Quick Add suggestions to others. Simply tap on it and disable the feature. Next, you want to control who can view your stories. Tap on View My Story and select Friends Only. This means only your Snapchat friends can see your stories, keeping away any prying eyes. Then we move on to See My Location. Your Snapchat location can reveal quite a bit about your daily habits and whereabouts. To keep this information private, enable Ghost Mode. When Ghost Mode is on, none of your friends can see your location on a Snap map. Lastly, adjust who can contact you on Snapchat. Go to Contact Me and select My Friends, ensuring only people you've added as friends can send you snaps or messages. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making your Snapchat account private. These settings give you control of your digital footprint on the app, ensuring you share your moments with just those you want to. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.